Welcome to our weekly outlook on weekly cat pairs on what you're going to look for next week. Okay, we're going to be so quick on cats so that you can have time to listen to what we are saying or what you should look for next week. Okay, so we're going to start with dollar cat, followed by pound cat, and ZD cat and euro cat. So these four pairs are the ones that we're going to share with you. These ones. Okay? We're going to share with you these ones. Okay? So hope you traded well last week. Hope you still in those trades that we showed you. Don't forget to subscribe to this button below on your right so that you can get more videos when we post. Okay, right, let's go to our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Rev Daily Traders. You subscribe to our channel so that you can get these videos, these weekly videos that we are doing for you guys. Okay, even though we are still new in this channel, hope this kind of views are gaining more experience to what we are saying or what we are seeing in these pairs. Okay, and please guys, remember to comment on those comment box there down below so that you can say whatever you don't like what we said, or if you don't like our videos, say so there below why you're not liking our videos, because we are giving you that platform to criticize, but if you criticize, you are making us to grow bigger. Okay, we are having Twitter. On Twitter, we post charts like this one. When we post chart, it's like Friday we posted this chart. It's an update. Okay guys, then if you go and click to it, it's going to send you straight to the chart that we posted and update. Okay guys, if you find it on Twitter, you'll be getting those update pictures. Then you click right into it, then it's going to give you you see this link. This link is for this currency pair that we published on TradingView. Okay guys, it's how we predicted, guys. If you can see and follow all this, like here we say we are going down here, still rising, then you should follow what we say inside those comments. Okay, even here still in buys, follow inside. Okay guys, because even now we are still seeing a buy here, but we will show you when we got to USD. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, on YouTube, and this one is a link for the Twitter. If you like to comment or inbox us, you can go to Facebook, LinkedIn as Rev Daily Traders. Then this is our email. Okay guys, then you'll find us most on Rev Daily Traders TradingView. Okay guys, it's where we are active and also on Rev Daily Traders. The Telegram, we are still preparing some thing for you. Okay, guys? We don't want to get in just to get in, but we are going to use it wisely for you guys. If we get more people on TradingView and on YouTube, okay, then it's where we're going to start to use Telegram. Okay, guys, if we're going to grow, we're going to use Telegram. Let's go back to our weekly outlook. Right, we're going to start with dollar CAD. On dollar CAD, we have this impulse. We are still in a range, sort of range, okay? So now what we are expecting? We are expecting after this bounce of double top, this is what they call M, okay? We are waiting something like this, guys, okay? But for now, we'll be trading on this one, right? You'll see this week or a tail, you'll see this week or a tail, okay? That means this price of 146, 145, 141, it's been respected a lot, okay? This price. Buyers tried to reach to this high price, but they didn't reach and pass that price, okay? So now what we are expecting as Rev Daily Traders for next week, we'll be watching very careful on this block what the market is doing to our chart. So we'll shift to lower time frame. But before we shift to lower time frame, let me show you something. Let me remove all this. Something maybe you're going to learn a bit. Hope you're going to understand what I'm going to show you. Right. We got this green candle that has a big tail and a small body here, okay? Right. On this one, we got a big body and almost half of the body, okay? What does this signals? It signals that buyers are still in charge on this dollar CAD, okay? It's just a matter of time of this COVID-19 to be finished, to have this correction on this box for us to come and take or make a new high here, because we are expecting a new high there. Okay, guys? So here, what we have, we did have an engulfing candle that engulfs this one, okay, the green one. Here, the story is we got the green candle and we are having small candles there, okay? That signals that we are still on a correction here for us to go up again, okay? So if we're going to shift to lower time frame, it's going to give us guidance on what to do on dollar CAD, okay? So now what we're going to do, let me remove this one. what we are having here, we are having an impulse here, but it reversed by having a impulse down, okay? Sellers became aggressively towards this pair, okay? So now we are having a correction. This correction, is it over or not? Then to know if we are having this pattern complete, then we have to shift on lower time frame for us to come and take this roof again, okay? Because we got this floor and we got this floor. So now we are expecting to come and take our roof there. This price should be tagged, okay? Now what we are having, we'll be having this kind of pattern. We'll be having this kind of pattern, guys. Let me show you. We'll be having this kind of pattern. A flat formation, okay? It's one, okay? Okay, let me show you clearly. 1, 2, 3. Then we go down. Then we'll be having a price action again of 1, 2, 3 for us to come and take that high again. That's why we are saying there's a room for us to go and take that high or make a new high again, okay? So for now, what we're going to do, we're going to shift to a lower time frame for hour and see what we are expecting there, right? Remember on our last video or weekly outlook that we predicted this kind of 1, 2, 3, okay? So we saw this as wage, then we bought here, okay? With the hope of coming 143.50. So now the market has done in other way. It didn't go straightly like we were expecting, straight move, okay? So on TradingView, we publish like look for a flat formation like this one for us to come and take this roof, okay? So now the market has broke with this candle, the red one, it broke and now it's not moving fastly, okay? Anytime soon it's going to give us a break that you're going to buy and wait for another flag and add to your position up until 143.50, okay? Why we are still in buys? This won't change while we are still low on this one and this one is still here, okay? Because we'll be still having this as a impulse for us, okay? And this one will be our correction expanding for us to take us that side, okay? So on dollar CAD, you'll be expecting a buy for next week, okay? Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, you're going to have that limit. Let me show you the limit that is going to always take put a stop behind this, then have this kind of price action, okay? Because you'll be looking for a tag here If it takes you and come back here, leave it. Even though it's going to stop you, leave it. You get another buy, then wait for a correction, then you took a buy there. Okay, guys? So in dollar CAD, you'll be looking to buy this pair. We are not seeing any sell on dollar CAD. We are only seeing buy only. Okay? This buy can take us to this level. It's either your stop loss you're going to take and put it around here. Okay? This one is a good money management, because if the market is going to slowly move, slowly move, slowly move, slowly move, you're going to shift your limit always. Okay? You'll be moving your limit always when the market goes down here. But we don't see that the market is going to break this flow of hours. Okay? We should get a 10 soon here. Get a 10 soon and break, then you enter a trade, then a flag, then you take a trade. Okay, guys? Look for buys on dollar CAD. Only buys. We don't see Euro CAD. On Euro CAD, guys. Last week when we published on our weekly outlook, we are still having this kind of price action that we should break to. Okay? This price action, it's a pattern that we got a break with this candle. Okay, guys? So now as we got this impulse, we are having a pattern, the bigger pattern that should give us the same impulse, the same length of the impulse. Okay, guys? For us to be clear on the direction, if you remember on our last video, we predict that if you are not seeing a correction for us to go and take this high, look for one more down. Okay? This one more down, we saw it by having this kind of pattern. Okay? This 1, 2, 3 pattern. 1, 2, 3 is the one that gave us a look at if we don't have a correction to have a down move. Okay, so if you didn't get this down move, guys, don't rush into a trade and be caught up on losing this trade. I will advise for you, let's go to a lower time frame and see if we are having a favorable pattern that is going to help us to, because we are still going a long way down there. Okay, on Euro CAD. This is our last CAD pair that we're going to share with you guys. Okay, so at the moment you're going to have this kind of pattern. Okay, then to confirm that you are going out, you should have a correction, then take a trade. Okay, we expect a 1, 2, 3, then go juggle, then we go to the flow of hours. Okay, so what you need to do here, you have to look for sells. We don't see any buy, but let's see if any buys it's possible to get buys on this pair. You'll be seeing a buy here. So this one, and see if we going to get that buy, guys. We are not seeing any buys here. Let's go to 30 minutes. The market, let's give you something like this, okay? Then you come and take here. Then you look for a correction. Take a trade. We're looking at this kind of price action. Then take a trade. Same length. Because if you can see, we got this expanding. Then we got the repulse here. Then we are having another correction for us to take a trade. Then we'll be looking for a correction again and take a trade. Okay, guys? There's still a long way on EuroCAD that we should feel. So next week, what you need to do is look for something like this, guys. Should get something like this. Then you're going to take here, okay? You are looking at the pattern. Look for sales on EuroCAD, guys, okay? There's still a long way to go on EuroCAD. So look for sales. We don't see any buy, but what if we are going to have buys here? Let's see. If you're going to see a buying opportunity that we don't see, then you have to wait for a aggressive move, then wait for a correction, then take a trade, okay? Then that trade can happen, like if you take a trade, can happen to be a pattern on its own for us to go down there, okay? Let me show you on 4 hour or day, okay? Let me show you something else here. I'm going to take trade and put your take profit here. Then you're going to have this kind of price action, guys. It's either starting a big correction or you're going to have a deeply slowly move to this flow of ours. Then we'll be looking for an up move, but you shouldn't wrap off this kind of price action, okay? This kind of price action is going to give us a good run. Okay, guys? Trade well on Euro, CAD, trade well on NZD CAD, GBP CAD, USD CAD. Okay, guys? Hope you're going to learn and gain more experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on the button below. Okay, guys? So that you can get more videos when we post. Shift to pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are still in a correction, guys, okay? This correction, it's a big correction of a big time frame, okay? This time frame, we've got the impulse down. Then we are having one, got two. We are expecting 3 there. Okay, so at the moment, to come and fetch, to come and get this 3, what we need to do, we need to figure out on this pattern that you are having. Okay, this pattern that you are having, we must figure out that, is it ready to go and push to test this roof or not? Okay, or are we getting a reversal to come and test the low again? So what we need to do, let's go to a lower time frame. A lower time frame has this big correction. Okay, take this as our impulse. Okay, then we will say 1 is 2, then it's 3. Now to confirm that we are going up, we should get a correction there. Then now what confused many traders on pound CAD is this up, down, up. Okay, you shouldn't be confused by this one. Okay, because we are having this kind of, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. It's a pattern of ABC. For us to go up, we should go and get a correction. Then we take a trade to up. So now we didn't get those corrections here, but we got a correction of a bigger structure here. Okay, on big time frame like daily. Okay, guys. So now what we need to do, let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour. Let's see 4 hour. Let's move this one and take this one up until there. Right. 4 hour, we are having this kind of, it's a good price action. By the way, it's 1, it's 2, and we are having 3 here, so that we can get to this roof. Okay, so as we predict on our weekly last week, this buy, we were predicting up until this roof so that we can get more sell, then buy. So now what you're going to do, if you didn't join on this lower time frames, then this correction is going to be a selling opportunity for you so that you can manage and get some money there. Okay, guys, look for selling opportunity at pound CAD. Okay, so that you can get this sell and look for a buy here. Okay, this buy, you shouldn't lose this buy, guys. You shouldn't lose this buy. Okay, you should get this buy, because when the market comes here, you'll wait for a correction, then you go, then wait for a bigger correction, then you go up again. Okay, so you should trade with care on pound CAD. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame and see whether the market is favoring us there. Okay, right, we got this impulse, we got this correction impulse, then we got the correction here so that we can come and take this one and go, but it didn't go as we planned. Okay, then it moved through this correction, then it took another sell from here. Okay, then now we are holding our sell for an opportunity to take this high, then sell again. Okay, we'll sell on lower time frame so that it's going to be a profitable trade, and it's going to give us more money if we start from lower time frame roof. Or you can sell on a breakout if you are not trusting to sell from top. Okay, Let's go to a 30 minutes and see what favors us there. Okay. Let's see what is doing. Okay, right. On this pair, we're going to have the guidance like this. Watch this pair moving slowly, then take a trade on a breakout, or wait for a correction to take a trade up until this roof. Then from this roof, remember, we'll be having a down move. We'll be watching a down move around these two prices. Okay, guys? So look for sales opportunity. We don't recommend for you guys to buy this buy, but we are saying look for sales only. Okay? We'll move to another currency pair. On NZD, what we are having for next week, guys. Okay? Right. On this pair, we are looking for a big buy, but we are not going to get that big buy at the moment. We are still having a correction that is moving the price slowly. If you can see very well that we are having this kind of price action here. Okay, so this price action can move slowly and tag this roof of ours 0.86, then move down for us to go up again. Okay, then that price action is going to give us a head and shoulder formation sort of. Okay, going to have a shoulder, a head, then going to have a shoulder here, guys. Okay, then but that will be confirmed if it broke this neckline that we are seeing here. Okay, because there's a neckline that we have here. This is a neckline, so on lower time frame we're going to see or have the guidance of having a good price action. Okay, guys? Right. At the moment, we are expecting a New Zealand CAD to come and take 0.86. Then we'll be looking to sell from top here, guys. Okay? We'll be looking to having a impulse correction, then impulse, okay? For us and to come and take 0.82. Then we'll be looking to buy again. So next week, what you need to do, guys, let's go to 4 hour and lower time frame. Right. What you're going to look for, ignore this buy because it has moved. We should get another buy here. Then wait for impulse. Then it's going to correct here for you to take a trade. Okay. Then this one you should watch if you're going to get a break here with a nice candle, red candle. Then look for a test on 0.8283. Okay, guys. It's where you're going to look for sales. So you let the market to come and test this roof of ours, okay? Then from roof, you're going to look for sales on NZD CAD, guys. Okay? We'll go to our next